Welcome back to Will It Forge, where we try to find everyday tools and see if my brother and I can make a knife out of it. Mostly my brother. We should make a knife out of something. Let's see if we can find something to make a knife out of it. I got this.
How about some hinge pins?
What about this?
Here's a wrench.
Here's a knife we can make a knife out of.
No. That's gonna be something else. Should we use a file? Nah.
Oh!
I just sacrificed a nice handle for this.
We could possibly use maybe Dad's shovel.
But why do we want to use Dad's shovel over using something that's already a little bit more forgeable, like a file or a wrench or something?
Flashback of Dad in love with the shovel. He has some serious separation problems.
You'll always be my favorite shovel.
Loves that shovel so much. Yeah.
See? It's okay. It'll be alright.
Wait for it. Wait.
Let's see. Well, she likes the red ones, and I like the orange ones. Oh my goodness. Where did my little shovel go?
Shovel! It's like a Chinese thing. All right, we stole that shovel.
Yes!
All right, let's do this. So why can't we just like stick it in the forge thing and just like take it out and just throw it in the smash? The press. Press. The smash.
The smash.
That's the new name for it, the smash. Get a close-up of the smash.
We need to somehow cut it into a bunch of pieces. I'd like to be able to use this part, but we might have to forge this flat first, cut this off, and cut it in a bunch of strips and stack them up and weld them together. You know what? Let's just smash the thing cold and see what happens. If it breaks apart, then let's do it. Get some glasses on and do this thing.
Yeah, let's break it. We can always find another one.
Here, Josh, put these on for protection.
Safety first, kids. Don't try this at home.
We're gonna need a piece of wood for the handle on the knife. Let's use the press. Instead of cutting it off with a saw, we'll just smash it off with the press. I was thinking we'd make the handle out of that part, but that didn't work out so good, so maybe we'll have to cut off a piece down here. I think it's like hickory or rope. That didn't work. We'll try smashing the shovel, see what happens.
Let's do it. Oh, man. It's nothing. Oh. That scared me. Bro.
Something, bro.
Did the shovel break?
But we should probably heat it up and forge it flat.
What? I can't hear you.
Hey Josh, I think we've got a problem here. I just realized I was thinking we'd stick this in the forge and then flatten it.
It's not
But
gonna fit, is it?
I forgot my forge door. I don't think it will either. 4.5 inches wide. I think we should cut it right down the middle and then forge the 2 pieces flat and then cut strips of steel off like this way.
There we go. I don't think you can dig with it anymore. I don't know, hopefully that fits. Looks like a lot of snot. Trying to get it flattened out. Some nice even strips now, and then forge weld them together so I have a nice thick piece to make a good blade out of. Heat it up and then come over here and try to flatten out this little part here, okay? Be gentle with it. All right, that's good. Let's put the other end in the forge so we can burn the rest of that paint off so we don't have to breathe it. Thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed that, leave a like and be sure to comment yes you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for part 2 where we unveil the mystery of if this shovel will forge into a knife.